Hello guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs. I'm at Escape and I have a Dominar 250 with me. It belongs to one of the group members of Pune. His name is Adhar and he had ordered the crash guard 2022 Dominar 400 crash guard from SK. So I've brought his bike here to do the installation. It is not a straight installation. We're gonna do some DIY and fix the crash guards. So this is the bike. He's already got some of the accessories from a local dealer in Pune. He's got this visor. This is which is a straight fit. I had informed in my previous Dominar 250 accessories comparison vlog. I had told that it is a straight fit. Even I had told that the top rack is a straight fit. He has also ordered the saddle stays, which is also a straight fit. He hasn't ordered the belly, but again that is a straight fit. The GPS mount, that is not a straight fit, because it is a straight fit till the time you get the proper mounts for this point. There are special mounts over here from Bajaj which this dealer did not use. This dealer has done some jugaad and installed. He's taken a longer nut, longer bolt, and he's put a nut in between and installed it. Ideally I wouldn't advise to install in this way, because this bolt is now pinching this GPS mount and it shouldn't happen that way. If it pinches and breaks off, then your suspension top part is going to go loose, because this bolt is going to go loose. If this is loose and if this also goes loose by chance, then your suspension is going to pop out from top. So this is a very risky installation. Hope that this GPS mount doesn't crush off. It is made of good quality die cast material, but still it is a risk. Second issue, this bolt touches the panel over here and it is slightly started wearing off, very slightly. Very slightly. Also, people keep asking me where to order these accessories from. You have to order it only from your nearest Bajaj dealer service center. Do not order it from 99 RPM, because they have been still lot many issues. Half part come, half part don't come. Half part comes after 6 months. People keep struggling. I still don't trust 99 RPM. So personal advice, please don't go with 99 RPM. Go to your Bajaj dealer, pay them some advance. Maybe go there in a group, like 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. Go in a group, give your name and numbers, give them some advance and ask them to order this stuff for you. Even the Bajaj dealer might not get all stuff in one stroke. It might take time. Same has happened with us. This is all the orders. There were 75 plus orders. All stuff majorly is of these 2022 accessories, what our Pune people have done. So Sushant had done a bulk order, and from that these parts have come. There are crash guards, there's visors, there's top rack, there is GPS mount, there is saddle stays, but one or the other thing is still pending, and it has been, I think, more than 4-5 months that these orders are lying idle. So this is the situation. You'll have to have a lot of patience and wait, and then get your parts. This is the 250 stock crash guard, and I think this bike is 2 years old. So this is from 2020. This two are the mounts. So we'll remove this crash guard, stock crash guard, and then we're going to install this, the new 2022 one. The top will fit straight away. We might have to change the bolt, it seems, but again I'll tell you in some time. But the bottom will not be a straight fit, because it is going inside. If you see, this part is going inside. We're going to need some adapter. The adapter has not come from Bajaj. The part number is this for the LH side, and for the RH side the part number is this, and the cost is also over here. 541 for the RH and 614 for the LH. So approximately 1200 rupees is the cost for crash guards. By the way, Aadhar got this installation of 1, 2, 3 and the saddle stays 4 for approximately 9,000 with labor, everything from the local dealer in Pune. So we are now taking off the crash guard first. अभी लेफ्ट का निकाल रहे हैं. पहले यहाँ पे देखेंगे कितना जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा, फिर नेक्स्ट साइड पे जाएंगे. सो माई अजम्पशन वॉज रॉन्ग. अब ये स्ट्रेट फिट है. जब हमने बाहर निकाला तब हमको पता चला कि ये ऑलमोस्ट माउंटिंग पॉइंट्स इसके दोनों के सेम है. मतलब ये जो लेवल देख रहे हो आप, दोनों का सेम है, और ये सीधा इधर चले जाएगा और नीचे के साइड पे ऐसे माउंट हो जाएगा. वही स्टॉक बोल्ट स्टॉक नट निकाल के you have to put it back. There is no major mod needed, nothing. It's a very 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 straight fit. Harish over here is helping me out. So he's put the top bolt and bottom nut. So 2 minutes back what I spoke in Hindi is that there's both the crash guards mounting points or the dimensions and everything is the same, the old one as well as the 2022 Dominar 400. So this is gone inside, everything perfectly installed. There's no jugaad required, there's nothing additional required. Now this is for the left hand side, we'll check the right hand side in some time. So this is the right side now. इसका भी हम पहले स्टॉक बोल्ट्स निकाल रहे. लगता है बोल्ट कभी ओपन नहीं हुआ था. तो ये आ गया राइट साइड का क्रैश गार्ड. इट इज़ कम आउट ऑफ द पैकिंग एंड इवन राइट साइड इज स्ट्रेट फिट. मुझे डाउट था ही स्ट्रेट बैठेगा. ये जो नॉच है ना, इट गोज़ इनसाइड ऐसे. एक मिनट, वो बाहर निकालो नीचे से. पहले नीचे से बाहर निकालो. हाँ, अभी इसको पहले ऊपर से डालने का, अंदर डालने का और फिर बिठाने का.
ये आपका माइंड मेरे को पसंद आया.
ये हमारा आइडिया इनको हरीश भाई को पसंद आ गया. थैंक यू हरीश भाई. तो राइट साइड also has installed perfectly. There's no issue. We can shake the whole bike with this crash guard. Everything's perfectly fine. So we had assumed it is going to be a DIY install. मतलब कुछ we'll have to do some adapter or something in between, but nothing as such. It is fitted perfectly fine. I'll take the bike upstairs and take some shots over there so that you guys can know how the guard looks. By the way, the space on the LH and RH is different slightly because here on this side you have this coolant box and it comes out slightly. This is there in my Explorer kit also. I find this difference because the guard, the radiator itself, because of the coolant box, it comes out little left. So this is how the bike looks from far off. Since it is a black bike, the guard is not easily visible that it's a different guard. The right side, perfect fit. I really like things when it is a perfect fit, because whenever you have to replace this part, it is just easy to go to Bajaj, get the part, replace it, done. If it was a DIY installation, I mean not a DIY with some mods in it, then you need to pay special attention to get that specific part in between and all this stuff. Anyways, this crash guard was ordered in a bulk order at SK Order. He doesn't keep stock, so don't call him up for stocks. But if you're in the Pune group, you can surely ping him on DM and ask him when the next bulk order is going to happen, and probably we can add you that time. So I'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Do share your feedback in the video comments, and do like the video if you like the content. Yes, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have questions, put it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon.